Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Lifestyle Gardener. In this video, I'm showing you how I made the trellis for my cucumber plant. In my hand, I have this netting that is make for cucumbers and any kind of vining plants that go up. I am putting this netting over the trellis that I made. I made this trellis with garden stick or bamboo stick that I got from the dollar store, and I had some metal poles that I used that you're supposed to use it for the window, but I had so many of them because I bought them long time ago and they were on sale, and I don't need them for this apartment. So I said, since I have them, let me make use of them, so I'm using them in my garden. So right now I have in my hand scissors. I am cutting the leftover netting that is on the trail, and I'm gonna use that netting for something else in the garden. So I just got a little piece. Okay, so now I have this twist that I'm going to use. I'm going to use it to help secure the trellis and the pole. So I make sure I wrap the netting around the pole tightly, and then I use a twist to hold it together onto the pole. Sorry, I don't have the proper video stand yet, so I couldn't get a closer view of me doing this, but pretty soon I will have one. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. I use a lot of duct tape in my garden. I even use it on even on the deck. I use it to wrap certain things around the railing. I really like duct tape. It's cheap and it lasts at least a couple of years when I put it in the garden. So now I have duct tape and the scissors. I'm gonna cut some of the duct tape, and then I'm gonna wrap some of the duct tape around the pole and the trellis to secure it more. So this trellis, I made it from, I'm showing you what the trellis look like. Garden stick that I got from the Dollarama. And I also use these metal things. I forgot what the name is called, but they use it to hang curtains like that on the window. I had a lot of them because I got them on sale and I haven't used them for many years, so I figured since I have them, let me use them in the garden. So I'm gonna use this trellis to trail my cucumber plants upwards. And I made another trellis also here. This one, I made it with the metal poles, and I also made it with the sticks that I found also in the forest. And I'm gonna trail the bitter leaves up on this trellis. I did it like this so that it when it grew upwards, it will form some sort of privacy trellis. I make sure I secure the trellis with duct tape and with this garden twist that I got from the dollar store. I'm just gonna watch and see what is the progress as they keep growing upwards. I'll train them. So in this scene, I'm showing you this planter that I have. I think I forgot to put holes in it before I plant my pepper plant, or I didn't put enough holes in there, because what happened when it rains a lot here, and it rains so much that it pushed on the soil and there's a lot of water that built up in there. So I decide I'm going to put some holes in there, but because there's dirt already inside the pot, I put the holes at the side with a drill. This way I don't have to keep remove the water from the container every time it rains a lot. It rains, I think, maybe like four times to 3 times a week here in Prince Edward Island. So after I did that, I decided to put some soil and fill it up as high as I can, and I want to see if this plant is gonna get bigger and be more healthier if I do that. I like to experiment a lot in the garden. I don't like to just stick to one rule. I like to try many things because I know what work for some people may not work for others. So even some things that they say you're not supposed to do in the garden, I will do it and see what happens, because sometimes it works for me even though they say not to do it. So now I have these brown paper bags that I tear in 4 pieces, and I'm putting it in front of the hole inside the container, inside the planter, so that too much of the soil don't come out when it start raining. And then I'm gonna fill it up with more soil. Then after I fill up the soil, I water the plant, and I'm gonna see the progress, and I'll give you guys some update with that. So now with the leftover netting, I decided to put it over the bamboo stake that I got from the dollar store, where I'm growing my sweet pea, so that they can start to trail upwards. Unfortunately, I forgot to show you a closer view after I did this, but I use a twist to tie the trellis tighter around the bamboo, and I'm gonna find a way to train the sweet pea to grow upwards when I have a chance to do that. It was such a beautiful day today, but when I made this video, it was in the evening, like I think after 7 or after 6. Most of the sun already went down, so the weather was pretty perfect to be out there. The sun wasn't coming down too much on me. Something about having a garden is so peaceful to be in when the sun starts to go down. That's one of the best time to be in the garden, when the sun starts to go down, and before the sun rises too much. Otherwise you'd be sweating like crazy. There you go, I'm almost finished. So now I'm just trying to encourage the sweet pea to go up on the trellis. Okay, everybody, have a good day. I will see you next time.